It is vital that we do everything possible to ensure our safety as well as the safety of our customers. Samples should never be given to a small child without parental consent. A sign will be displayed on the event cart sneeze guard indicating to a customer, "We will be happy to provide your child a sample with your permission. Thank you." The sample is to be given to the parent, who can then give it to the child. To keep food sanitary, toothpicks will be supplied in your event kit and are to be used as the primary sample aid. A "Caution Hot" sign will be displayed on the sneeze guard of your event cart. This sign will communicate to the customer that a skillet, griddle, or other type of equipment that is producing heat is being used. Make sure extension cords are out of the way of cart traffic and taped to the ground to ensure safety. A rubber mat may also be used to help alleviate back and leg discomfort. These can be brought into the store at your discretion and are at your expense. Clean and sanitize your cart surface and food counter preparation areas before and after each event using the Walmart approved sanitizer. Do not use peanut oil for frying any products. All other cooking oils are acceptable. When peanut oil is inhaled, it can cause an allergic reaction just as severe as when it's been consumed. Here's a helpful tip. When you're performing your event, encourage customers who ask questions about the product ingredients to always refer to the ingredient statements for clarification. There is a good chance that sometime during the coming year, a local health inspector may visit your store and stop by to visit with you. The first thing you should know is that if you are following the guidelines provided in this training, you should have nothing to worry about. The job of a health inspector is to ensure for the public that any food that is served in their area of responsibility is being prepared, cooked, and served according to the proper guidelines. The training that you receive from this video and your supervisors will cover all of the basics required for safe food preparation. Health inspectors should always have proper identification on them. Ask them politely to show you their ID and ask for a business card. They generally will watch you from a distance to ensure that you are following the guidelines, such as wearing gloves and changing them as needed, that you are following basic sanitation guidelines, and if you are cooking, that you are using a thermometer to ensure the proper temperatures are being observed. When they stop to visit with you, they may ask you simple questions such as, "What is the temperature danger zone? How do you calibrate a thermometer? How often should you change your gloves?" They will most likely ask to view your sanitation and temperature logs. That information will be readily available in your logbook. They may check to determine if you are wearing jewelry that presents a possible sanitation threat. Therefore, always obey the dress and jewelry guidelines. If they ask for proof that you have been trained on food safety, please relay that you are required to pass a certification test prior to working your first Walmart event. If they ask for more information, please refer them to your team lead event specialist or your supervisor. If they state that you need any special permits, please ask the inspector for a copy of those requirements or where you can obtain them, and again refer them to your immediate supervisor. Sometimes inspectors will think you are cooking fresh products when you may be just reheating product that is pre-cooked. In these cases, kindly point out the fact and show them the package and explain that you are following the directions provided. Always be courteous and polite, and in cases where you do not know the answers to their questions, tell them that you will be glad to find out. Remember, they just want to make sure that our events are not posing any hazards to the health of the Walmart shoppers.